The male reproductive system. The male reproductive system is made up of several organs that specially responsible for producing sperm cells and hormones. What is a sperm cell? A sperm cell is important for reproduction because it is needed to fertilize in egg cells which stem from a female reproductive system. What is hormones? Hormones are responsible for the development of adult male characteristics. Did you know that an average man can have approximately 5 million sperm cells in a single drop of semen? But out of these millions of sperm cells, only one is needed to fertilize an egg cell.